Hey guys, how y'all doing today? Today we're gonna make a bacon bomb, but it's gonna be a mushroom Swiss bacon bomb, sort of. Right here's what I've got: is 8 ounces of button mushrooms. I've got a half of a sweet onion, and then right here I have about 5 of these sweet peppers. Man, they're delicious. I done went ahead and took all the seeds out of them, and I'm just gonna chop everything up. I'm going to chop the mushrooms up. I'm just going to quarter them. Just like that. And I'm going to dice the onions pretty fine. Just about like that. I'm going to take these sweet peppers. Just cut them in half. Just cut them in pieces about like that. Alright, I'll get all this chopped up. Now, we got a skillet. We're going to heat it up over about medium-low heat. We're going to add in a little bit of butter. Maybe a tablespoon and a half of butter or so. Let that get melted down a little bit. Now our butter's getting melted. Skillet's getting a little bit hot. What we're going to do is go ahead and saute these veggies. I'm going to go ahead and put the onions and the peppers in there first, just to give them a little bit of a head start. Once them start to soften up, we'll add the old mushrooms. Man, this is going to be mighty fine, I tell you. So stick around. Alright, y'all. Now, our onions and sweet peppers been cooking for a few minutes. They're starting to get a little bit soft. So I'm going to go ahead and add in our 8 ounces of button mushrooms that we quartered up. Put them in there. I'm going to go ahead and add in a little bit of cracked black pepper. Little old cracked black. Oh yeah. And we're going to add in a little pinch of salt here. That's good. Give that a stir. Just let it continue to cook. Continue to cook. Vegetables are cooked about the way I like them, so we're going to go ahead and remove these from the heat, and we're going to let them cool down. We'll move on to the good stuff. Now for our old bacon bomb, this is 1.32 pounds of ground chuck, 80-20. Somewhere between a pound and a pound and a half you'll need. Now what I done is I took one of them 1 gallon Ziploc bags, put the hamburger meat in there, and we're just going to take a rolling pin and just roll it out. Zip this up right here. I'm just going to roll it out until we get a nice even consistency, or whatever you want to call it. So it's about the size of the bag right there. So what I done was cut the sides of the bag right there open like that. And now we need to add some sort of seasoning. I'm going to use this bone-sucking steak seasoning and rub. Put a little bit on the inside here. Just like that. Man, this is going to be mighty fine. We got some baby Swiss. And I'm also going to add in a little bit of provolone in there. So we're going to go ahead right here. We're going to go ahead and add about 4 slices of this baby Swiss. We want to keep it back. We don't want really nothing right there, because when we roll it, it'll come oozing out. Now here is our onion, mushroom, and pepper mixture. We probably won't use all this. Maybe if you was cooking 2, you might. But
okay, now what are you going to give me for that?
Where's a gnat?
Oh, this is so small.
That we're going to put probably about half of this mixture on there. So we got half that mixture on there, and on top of that, I'm going to go ahead and put 2 slices of the good old provolone on there. And now, we're just going to roll it up. Using the bag. Some of it's probably going to fall out, but it'll be alright. Try to keep as much of it in as we can.
You're so bad. Wait, you're so bad.
Look at there. Got a nice roll. And what we need to do is just try to seal up the sides real good. Alright, y'all. We got the sides sealed up real good. Or as good as we could. And I forgot to hit the record button, I think. But I put a little more of this seasoning on the outside. Wasn't trying to get it all the way round. I just put it on the top. And we're just going to seal this back up a little bit. And I'm going to put it in the fridge, let it hang out. Oh yeah, and we're going to cook this out on the old Weber today. Now let's make a bacon weave, alright? I laid out 6 slices of bacon. I lay mine out a little bit apart. I'm just going to fold every opposite one back like this. About halfway down or so. Then fold that back up, back up, back up. Which ones do we do? Now we go this one, this one, this one. Put her on there. Go back, back, back. Then every other one again. Another piece of bacon. Up, up, up. And then, let's see, this one, this one, this one. Another piece of bacon. Fold it back. Just like that. And that's how you make a bacon weave. And then we'll just continue to repeat the process on down here. And now on top of the bacon weave, we're going to add our good old piece of meat right here. Oh yeah, let's get that bad boy on there somehow. We will get it on there. Man. Alright, we'll just put him right there. We'll just take this aluminum foil right here. Roll them up. See, we messed up a little bit, but that's fine, that's fine. Take that side, bring it back around, and just like that. Now we gotta do a little bit of adjusting onto it, because it ain't perfect, but it ain't gotta be perfect, does it? Alright, now, season again with a little more of our bone sucking sauce. Just a little bit. We'll also go ahead and put on some of this It's Incredible. This is more or less an all-purpose seasoning. It's got garlic, pepper, a little bit of everything in it, I guess. But you can put whatever kind of seasoning you like on it. And we're gonna roll it up in this aluminum foil. Try to roll it up good and tight. And we're just gonna let it chill out in the fridge while we get the old Weber ready, because we ain't even started him up yet. Alright. Our grill's at about 250 degrees right now. And I've got a few chunks of hickory wood back there. I got sort of the snake method going on. Well, it is a snake method. But we're cooking indirect right here. Here's that beautiful, beautiful piece of meat. Man, this is going to be mighty fine right here. Gonna slap him down right here. And we're gonna cook this thing at a temperature of about 250, 275. Probably a couple hours it'll take. And I'll bring y'all back here in a little while. Let's check on this. Running about 270 degrees. It's been going about 2 hours or so. We're gonna check our internal temperature. We're at about 100 and something. I don't even remember. 156 degrees. Now we're gonna add some of this nice barbecue sauce right here on it that my buddy Jeff at Bologna Ring Ranch sent me. Man, that's some mighty fine stuff. Habanero hot barbecue sauce. Oink and squill. Just spread that around, brush that on there. Probably let it cook for maybe another 15 minutes or so. Let's get the lid on it. We'll be So this bad boy right here is done. Check that out. Man, that looks good. Been cooking probably for a total of about 2.5 hours. I let it go for about 20 minutes or so with the sauce on it. Now I'm going to pull it off and I'll meet you all in the house.
Yeah, he's decent. He knows what he's doing. So we're not gonna do a shot. He definitely knows what he's doing.
Alright, something happened to my camera whenever I was cutting into it. But man, look at that. That looks mighty fine right there.
But I think Kelly is.
Let's cut us a big old slice of it and we'll try it out. It's got a couple slices here on this plate. Let's get us a big old bite right here. Might make a sandwich or something out of this later. Man. Let me get that big bite right there.
Can you show me that back?
Man, that sure is mighty fine, y'all.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pour me a little bit of this barbecue sauce on it.
Like, when you take a pop-
Oh man, that's gonna make it better. Man, that was mighty fine, y'all. Cheers, and I'll see y'all next time. Thanks for watching.